Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jamie Oliver's easy 1-cup pancakes. This method is incredibly simple, requiring no scales. First, let's gather our 3 main ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of milk, and 1 large free-range egg. Don't forget a tiny pinch of sea salt and a little butter or oil for frying. These basic items are all you need to create delicious, fluffy pancakes. Now, let's get that batter mixed. It's super straightforward. Crack your 1 large egg into a spacious mixing bowl. Next, add your 1 cup of self-raising flour and then pour in your 1 cup of milk. Don't forget that tiny pinch of sea salt. Whisk all these ingredients together thoroughly until you have a lovely, smooth batter with no lumps. This simple step is key to perfect pancakes. It's time to cook your golden pancakes. Place a non-stick frying pan on a medium heat. Once hot, add a small knob of butter or a drizzle of olive oil. When the butter melts and sizzles, add large spoonfuls of batter to the pan, cooking in batches. Wait for little bubbles to form on the surface, about 1 to 2 minutes, then flip them over. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden on both sides. Your delicious, easy pancakes are ready. Serve them warm straight from the pan for the best experience. For fantastic toppings, try fresh seasonal berries like raspberries or blueberries. A generous drizzle of runny honey or maple syrup always works wonders. You can also add a dollop of natural yogurt for a creamy touch. Get creative and enjoy your homemade, fluffy pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.